Have you ever said something that you wish you would have said differently? Well, my name is Matt Abrahams, and I've written the book Think Faster, Talk Smarter, which is all about helping you feel more comfortable and confident speaking in the moment, answering questions, giving feedback, introducing yourselves, and making small talk. Tune in, learn, and put a little effort in, and you too can think faster and talk smarter. So everybody right now is taking their specific business and they're pitching it in a way to help it make it more concise, clear, and relevant to their audience. In so doing, they're learning the value of structure and how structure can really help hone a message and really deliver results. And the structure is 4-sentence starters. What if you could, so that, for example, and that's not all.